What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to another episode of Equinox Cars. In today's episode, we're just going to be doing a little POV drive in my new Dodge Charger. Super excited to bring you guys more content about this car. And yeah, I'll pretty much just be driving around just a little bit to show you guys what it's like in first person to drive the Dodge Charger. So pretty soon here, I think on Thursday, I'll be dropping a video. We're just going to get new tires on it. The last owner was definitely doing some donuts and burnouts and stuff like that. So yeah, it's pretty sweet. Even for the V6, I think this thing is pretty awesome. But before we get into the drive, I just got to ask you guys one question and one favor. If you could like the video and leave a comment down below. I want to know what is the first mod that I should do on this Dodge Charger. And I'm going to give you guys three options. Should I get the exhaust, the intake, or should I tint the windows? Because the windows aren't tinted at all. It's kind of a fishbowl. So let me know down in the comments below, you guys. Guys, one thing I do love about this car so much is how smoothly it drives, even for the V6. It's just immaculate and so smooth, even at high speeds, you know, like especially when you're going on the highway, you know, 85, 95, 105. It stays consistent. It's nice and smooth. It doesn't feel like, you know, you're going to lose control at any time. It doesn't handle it that well around the corners, but it is kind of a boat, to be honest. So, but yeah, I definitely love this car and can't wait to dig into it and do some minor modifications. It's going to be so much fun. But yeah, I'm super excited about this car. Like, you guys have no idea. My first kind of sporty, kind of muscly, kind of whatever you want to call it, car. Yeah, I just love this fucking thing. It is beautiful. It's a really nice color. Everybody loves it so far that I've talked to. And one day, hopefully, we're gonna own a V8 one of these, and if not, then something else that's really fast. Like, you know, of course this car isn't that fast because it is a V6, but it's fast enough to have fun with. So yeah, maybe one day I'll get the RT or the Scat. I don't think I would get a Hellcat, to be honest. It's a nice Miata. But the reason for not getting a Hellcat is just, I don't see a reason why I would, honestly. I think the Scat Pack is just as good. Not as fast, you know, but a little bit more reliable, just because it's not boosted. And of course, boosted is fun and everything, but, you know, turn the AC on down there real quick. It's 90 degrees outside. One concern I actually have with this car, though, is that the driving in the snow thing is not going to go very good, and I already know it's not. Driving in the snow in this thing is just not going to be an option, especially for where I live. It snows quite a lot, so I might have to get a winter beater and then keep this as my, like, summer project, something to have fun with, my daily for the summer, I guess. Oh yeah, before I forget, you guys, one thing I wanted to bring up is that I got some buddies that have some pretty cool cars as well, and maybe I could show them in a future video. I have one friend that has an Audi A4 wagon, and that thing is pretty nice. And then I have another friend that has a G37 sedan Sport, which is also pretty nice. So I'll definitely have to shoot some videos with you guys, because I know those guys like to get down and have a lot of fun. I think we got another Charger over here. I'm not sure what trim it is. It's probably an RT or a V6 like mine, an SXT or a GT. It did have a nice hood on it though. But now we're getting on a little highway, so we can get on it a little bit and see how it does, as long as this truck gets out of my way. Which doesn't look like it's gonna happen. So we'll have to go around it when we get a chance to. anyways, yeah, guys, I'm really enjoying this car. Like I keep saying, it is a dream come true for me, even though it's, you know, not special to a lot of people. It's special to me because, like I always say, it's my first sports car, my first muscle type car, and I'm having a blast with it, and that's all that matters, you know, as long as I have fun with it. And I'm not trying to do any ricer mods to it. I'm trying to keep it a clean build, you know, just stuff to make the daily fun, pretty much. But yeah, like I said before, you guys let me know down below what mod you think I should do first. Intake, exhaust, tint the windows, new wheels, stuff like that. Because the wheels I got are actually stock, but I guess they're just plasti dips from the previous owner, which is fine. But the plasti dip is already like peeling off of it, so it's kind of weird. It's like kind of chipping off, so I want to change it and do something else with it. But everything will come in time, you know, bits and pieces. You know, eventually when I have all the parts bolted on, then I'll tune it so it doesn't run rich or anything. It'll run nice and smooth. I do want to put another rear diffuser on it. Again, nothing too crazy, just aftermarket. It looks better. And then when I get the exhaust done, I'm going to take off the little chrome pieces that are around the exhaust tips, so that way it looks sleeker. We'll have a big muffler coming out, or maybe straight pipes, who knows. Whatever sounds the best, we'll have to find out. Another thing I want to mention to you guys, I might do a little series, not really a series, but a short little video on basically how I can afford these cars, how I got this car, and how you guys can get into a car that may seem out of your reach, but I can give you guys some helpful tips on how to get in it. So look out for a future video for that, because I know some people, even though this is just a V6, would love to have a Dodge Charger. It would make their world, you know, just like it did for me. You know, just having any sporty type, you know, muscle type car, or just any car in general, you know. There's a lot that goes into it, and I feel like I've done it enough times to get a good grasp on like what you need to do, you know, and what you need to have, what you need to bring with you in order to get a car loan, or, you know, if you're paying it off in cash, or what you're doing, you know, going over down payments and interest rates and stuff like that. So I can give you guys some tips on how to do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you feel like it, go down below and like, subscribe, and comment. Turn on the bell, because this Thursday I will be dropping a new video, putting some new tires on this, and maybe we'll have a little bit of fun before that, but who knows. I'll see you guys on Thursday. Peace.